And everyone, Bobby, Two Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, August 24th. We're breaking Box Slabbed comics. So one boxer randomed up our 4 remaining boxes in the case. Got number 2, random months. On your right, we've already randomized months customers. Alphabetized them all. Gave them a chance to trade, but nobody ever trades months. So here we go. Oops, I cut that. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, best of luck to y'all. Well, bam, folks. Gonna be a nice issue. It is an Amazing Spider-Man 17. October is your month. Second appearance of a Green Goblin and a Human Torch appearance. Guys, she is only a 2.0 grade, folks. But it is still a damn Amazing Spider-Man. 17, guys. I mean, it is, again, October 1964. Spider-Man 17. It's about a $200 book, guys, so not a bad hit. $200 book for October. Wow, well, Pat, that's going to be Pat's first hit in a while there, man. He's been very dry. Bam! Gonna be a nice hit on the comic for Pat. Amazing Spider-Man 17. I am very sorry, everybody else there. Congratulations, Pat. Whoa! Sorry, guys, almost dropped on the chair there. Gotta be Pat on the comic, folks. So that is going to wrap up that one, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops. Breaks. Y'all have a good one.